Morning guys! Today is Saturday and obviously walang pasok. And I'm gonna show you one of my hobbies slash sideline pag Saturday. Plug ko na rin yung page namin sa Facebook. It's called Lec Segundo. We do a lot of commission builds, restorations, system cleaning and maintenance. I'll put the link on the description below. Today, our patient is an Acer laptop. So, yung user nila is nag-complain na rin sa slow response time and slow booting. So, obviously, the culprit is this old hard drive. Obvious naman sa stains. So, I think nag-melt na yung cushion niya for our anti-vibration pads. So we're gonna clean that and upgrade the hard drive into an SSD. So this is a Kingston A400 120GB SSD. So medyo maliit siya, but it will increase the speed up to 10 times faster. So yung boot up times, loading programs, mag-i-improve lahat yun. And then sira na rin yung takip ng CD drive niya. So hindi naman common na yung CD drives. So we're gonna replace that with an HDD caddy. This is used for laptops na hindi naman sobrang kailangan yung CD drive in order to reuse the hard drive. So may konting life pa naman siya. So ilalagay natin siya dito para magamit ulit siya. So yung battery din pala, we're gonna test it kasi nung sinaksak ko siya parang hindi na-recognize. So we'll try to clean it and then check if whether ang sira is yung battery or yung charger. So ngayon lilinisin ko naman yung chassis. Hi Mia! Hi sabag! Bye! Bye agad! So this is what a laptop processor looks like. So natanggal ko na yung cooling fan. And then as you can see, intact pa rin yung thermal paste niya. But we're gonna repaste it para lang ma-improve yung system, saka medyo bago yung paste na ilalagay. So, ito yung RAM slots niya. So single stick lang ng 4GB yung naka-install. So upgradable siya. Quick tip lang pala, pag ilinis kayo ng thermal paste, gamit kayo ng coffee filter. So wala siyang lint. Tapos madali siyang itapon. So one advantage ng paggamit ng coffee filter is once it comes in contact with the thermal paste, so sasama siya. So it won't smear it on the sides of the die. So ayan, clear as a mirror. So all of the major parts have been cleaned. It's time to reinstall it back to the chassis. And we're gonna install the newer components. Hi, Mia.
Dad, hi. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Mga maglalagay din pala ng mga HDD caddy, huwag niyong kalimutang i-reinstall itong locking bracket. So, galing siya sa lumang CD drive. So, pag wala yon, hindi siya malalock in place. So, may tendency itong buong CD drive or yung HDD caddy na laglag or ma-uninstall during operation. So, quick tip lang, after nyo malagay yung mga components at may lagay sa case, huwag nyo munang lagay yung screws. So, i-test nyo muna para kung may problema, madali siyang mapasing ulit. Success naman yung paglilinis at pag-install. We're just gonna install a fresh copy of Windows and some important applications, and we'll check kung ma-improve nga yung system. So, fresh copy of Windows 10 has been installed. Mag-update na lang ako ng konti and babalik ko yung mga naka-backup na files. So, after nun, good as new. Tapos na yung pag-update ng Windows. Linisin ko na lang yung screen. So that's it guys, that's one of the sidelines I do on a Saturday. Mostly kasi half day yung kino-consume na oras, kaya isa lang nagagawa ko. Pero ayun, I hope may natutunan kayo dun sa short video, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, Mea. Anong gusto mong paglaki? Bakit?
Kasi marunong ako magluto.
Babay ka na sa vlog.